Maximize your storefront exposure with our window clings. These unique graphics will give any shop, restaurant, or cafe a stylish and professional look. Before you start, make sure you have a window cleaner, a cloth, a dry erase marker, a ruler, and a squeegee. For larger clings, we recommend having application fluid or soap and water. Start by cleaning the window. Make sure all debris is removed to avoid flaws when applying the cling. Using a measuring tool, map out the area you want to place the cling and mark it with a dry erase marker. For smaller clings, peel the backing away from the top of the cling and place the cling onto the window. Use your hands or a squeegee to smooth out the cling and remove the air bubbles. For larger clings, spray the window with application fluid or soap and water after cleaning the window and measure out the area for placement. Peel the backing off the cling and apply it to the window. Afterwards, grab a squeegee and starting from the center, work your way to the edges, smoothing out the cling. This will also help get rid of any liquid under the cling. Our clings are designed to be displayed on glass, plastic, metal, or any non-porous surface. If you're planning to use the cling outdoors, position it in an area where rain cannot reach it. Avoid using our clings on car windows due to the possible harsh weather elements that may come in contact with the cling. Add a unique look to your windows with our custom window clings.